All right, happy new year. Yes, cheers. I hope y'all had a very good 2021. I know a lot of us are just cooped up in the house, but some of us, got real creative. I just played around in some makeup was what we are going to do. And definitely just kind of just playing out my 2021. But I kept it real simple. I didn't want to do too much because my mind state is already just on go mode for 2021 because this pandemic it just doesn't look like we're not going, no changes are not going to be made too much, but we're going to adjust and we're going to make it happen. So this is your first time stopping by, definitely welcome. Yes, if this is not your first time stopping by, yes, I added some stuff. I felt real festive since I was just a little bit out and about in New York City. I bought me nice little plants and me some daggone words of affirmation around me, and I found this little cute little thing. I was just like, it's cute. I'm going to add it to my little desk, make it a little festive, So, of course, and we got to get into these earrings. Yes. So, today, I just wanted to play around in some makeup because I've gotten a lot of reviews and people have definitely been hitting me up in regards to my makeup review. They thought it was very relatable. So, I was like, yes, ladies, yes. Okay, I love me some lipstick. I'm not too much into the other stuff about makeup, but lipstick, we could definitely keep doing these lipstick swatches because I'm a lipstick type of girl. Okay, I like to keep everything else clean and give a pop of lip, a bold lip. So today, since while I was just shopping around New York, just walking around, just clearing my mind, and this is one of the stores I had to stop by, my store, Alcon Company. Shout out to y'all down there on West 49th. It's not an ad, but I had to go there because it's been a while. They always have some fun stuff. I always go there definitely just to go pick up Janessa Maverick foundation. Her foundation is like one of the 3 foundation brands that I use on my face. And I wanted to try something different. I was introduced to this brand, Makeup Atelier Paris. I was introduced to them about 2 years ago when I went there for I think it was my birthday. Yeah, I want to say it was my birthday. It was like the day before my birthday. I felt real cute. I wanted to buy a new lip or buy something new. And the makeup artist, shout out to Ken, okay? Ken put me on to this makeup brand. And we had like a nice little dark lip because my outfit was definitely bright, vibrant, youthful. I was wearing like yellow and orange. It was like a lot of African print. I was mixing a lot and I didn't want to do too much for my lips. So yeah, I had my nice little dark lip and I really love the moisture of the lipstick. So I went back the next day and I was like, yeah, I need to buy this brand, and I bought it. I bought the same exact color. So I went back, and ordered this color. We're gonna try it out. I was just like, give me all the reds because I'm feeling very red. Give me any type of shade of red. So this is the packaging. It's real simple. So we are trying out Rouge Rose. Yes. So yeah, I was just feeling real red and I told them to just order me all the reds that's available, and it was on sale. So I was just like, yeah, give me all the reds. So they were just like, is it you want bright red, you want fire engine red, dark red? Give me all the reds because a girl is feeling red this season. I'm not trying to be dark lipped too much. I want to be red or like a fuchsia type of lip. Those is definitely like my go-to colors to throw on my lips. If not, then like a nude for my complexion. So let's get into these swatches because I'm finna have some fun. Okay, y'all ready? Okay. Yes. All right, let's get into this color, Rouge Rose by Makeup Atelier Paris. Yes. Oh yeah. Let me put some more because this is definitely brand spanking new. Okay. I feel like we need to work this out. We need to make it happen, okay? It's being a little stingy. What's going on? Let me see. Yeah, this is being very stingy. I like this. I like this. It doesn't pop, but it's a nice little get up to, you know, keeping your bag, keeping your purse, and you want to throw on like a nice little lip. I like this. It makes my lips look very voluptuous. I love it. I love it. So y'all let me know down below if y'all feeling it. Again, this is not an ad, but I'm here for just trying out these lipsticks in front of the camera with y'all because there's not much going on and we need to get this creativity going. So yeah, again, this is Rouge Rose by Makeup Atelier Paris. I hope y'all like, ladies, especially my dark skinned women. Are y'all feeling this? Are y'all not? Do y'all need a little bit more volume? This is without a lip pencil because most of the time I don't really like putting on lip pencils unless I'm like going out to like an event only party or like a conference or something important. But if I'm just having this in my bag, like I just said, yeah, I'm gonna just throw this on. But cheers, happy New Year's. I hope your 2021 is better than 2020 and we gonna get this content going. Bye y'all.